Yeah, Sprout? Come on, let's go, let's look for
Wait,
horses.
hold on, Cosmo. There's a moose over here.
Did you just call me Cosmo?
I mean, Sprout.
Sorry. It's okay. Well, why is there a moosey? It bit me!
Let's get out of here.
It's gonna bite our cheeks.
I think the owners of the ranch said horses are not too far. I think I see them.
Oh, there's horses over here.
Yeah. Well, let's not use that one. I heard horses with sleighs are hard to use. Oh my gosh, look at this reindeer.
Oh, it's Rudolph. I didn't mean to.
Hey, I was gonna drive.
I want to get on with you. What was that?
Wait.
It looks like you don't got no fur. That one right there. Don't look like you got fur.
Mom?
Yes, I am. Did I just hear it go?
Sorry, I'm terrible at driving.
My soda pop.
Tiptoe through the window.
Cosmo, your head is breaking.
Tiptoe.
Stop.
We're jumping mountains.
Are you doing this or is the reindeer doing it?
The deer. The deer is doing it.
Okay, so you're not in control of it no more?
I am in control. I'm looking for something.
Your tail's
I'm
adorable.
looking for
Oh my god.
What?
Adorable. Your tail's adorable.
Don't mess with my tail.
Did I just hear it go? Oh.
Yes, that's what it does every single time it starts walking. And then it goes every time it starts running. Are you
It
deaf?
sounds like a Wendigo when you did.
Oh no.
We're far away. Cosmo.
What? I'm trying to look for stuff.
Cosmo, why are we
I'm
even
pretty
out
sure-
here, though?
I don't know. Because we wanted the horse ride, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
I
wanna
swear,
go
where are you
bake
gonna take-
after this?
You know what I want to go after this?
What?
Jurassic Park.
Cosmo, it's Jurassic Park.
It's Jurassic Park.
No, it's Jurassic Park. Cosmo. I'm gonna drive.
Wait.
Oh,
you want to drive?
I don't know.
You have
wait,
to control that stick.
Okay.
You have to control that stick. But you have to sit
I
in front.
think I remember how to drive. It's screaming help. Cosmo, it's screaming for me.
Do you need me to drive?
No, I got it.
Wait, stop for a second. I need to change my hat. I can hardly even see.
Can you do that? I need to fix the way I'm. Okay. You wanna drive?
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
go ahead and drive.
You're kind of big.
Rude. My whole entire head was inside of your body.
Wait, it's a river. There's a river, Cosmo. There is a river. Oh, there's a river. Oh, it's frozen now.
By the way, don't look at the sun. It boils your eyes.
Okay, I will look at it.
Are you looking at it?
Yes, it hurts.
Bruh.
This is why we don't go outside, I think. So I do dumb things. I see everything down there. I'm gonna
Whoa, what's this?
What's this? Mom, you will
Mom,
always
Always be in my heart. Now be free till we meet again. Your loving son, XOXO. 1938, 2023. Yeah.
Bro, whose mom is this?
I don't know. Probably the owner of the world.
So is it just like a secret, I guess?
Yes.
It's licking
Dear,
me.
stop.
The heck?
It was doing its business.
Why are we so far away from the other horses?
Because we don't like them. Wait, let's go get the one with the sled.
Didn't you say it's dangerous?
That was what other people say. I was joking. Somebody told me to say that.
Are you sure I'm not gonna die? Ah! Cosmo, it kicked me off. I can't get up. I feel like we should ride separate horses, not gonna lie. Or deers.
No. Let's go.
Okay.
Stop coughing in my ear. You made my deer running straight to the wall.
My throat hurts. And plus, I'm sick.
Then why you come outside with me, bro? You're gonna get me sick.
I took medicine. The only reason how I'm sick is because I've been screaming. That's my sickness.
Get on the sled.
Are you sure I'm not gonna die?
You're not gonna die. You on?
Yes.
Okay, just make sure to hold on.
I am.
Oh my
Wait,
God,
is it
bro,
even
stop kicking me
connected?
off. What?
Is it even connected?
Yeah.
Cosmo, how is it moving? Wait, I don't get it. There's no string. My feet are cold. Put me left. Cosmo, this is dangerous. Cosmo, this is dangerous. Cosmo, why are we doing this? I don't want to do this no more, Cosmo. Ah! Cosmo. Why, Cosmo? Oh. Okay. My back is perfect. Gotta click the seats. Wait, it's kind of hard to do because I know. Oh God! Oh, sorry, Cosmo. We're just gonna go slow down. It's not going the way I need it to turn. The heck? We're gonna be flying, Cosmo. I don't care, Cosmo. This is what I had to go through. Okay, now we're on some ice. Uh-oh. Almost ran into a tree! Wee! Oh, let's stop. Cosmo, why? Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Oh. I'm just gonna. Uh-oh. This is hard to move around. Shoo-wop, shoo-wop. I'm gonna respawn. I'm not gonna reveal my user. There we go. I think Cosmo died. Yeah, I killed. Good news. I just killed Cosmo. Oh no. Uh-oh, I killed Cosmo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, frick, I killed Cosmo. Oh. I'm not supposed to. I killed Cosmo. Bye.